Uyabona this gentleman, the way ANC NEC imsaba ngakhona, imsaba kwangathi yi-lightning. Because apparently lapha ku-National Executive Committee ANC, they are discussing ukuthi this guy, he must be removed. So uCyril wathi, stop discussing me emakhoneni. Umuntu onenkinga akangiface ngqo, angitshele ukuthi ufuna ngiresign nini, and I will gladly resign. So because kune-faction yokuthi they want to bring back uThabo Mbeki as the president of the ANC because of they don't even trust uFikile Mbalula ukuthi anga-leader this political party. So this guy, one thing that you must understand about this guy, ANC, especially that NEC and the people there in parliament, ubaphethele ama-file wabo, so he will even destroy them in the grave. Because this guy, ukhumbule ukuthi une i-office of the intelligence ise-officini lakhe. So whatever is happening, and futhi urecommende ukuthi i-NEC mele kube ne-lifestyle audit for each and every person olapha ku-NEC. So chaza ukuthi obviously you can't just request i-lifestyle audit meanwhile ungakathola ama-hem athize. This guy he's a very dangerous person in the ANC, and even if I'm remover, they will regret. That will be the day ANC is buried.
The president of South Africa, Mr. Cyril Ramaphosa, has dared the ANC to specify a date that they want him to resign. My name is Ualokwan, and these are the news that matter the most. Now, Cyril Ramaphosa's situation stems from a scandal involving stolen money at his private farm, iPhalaPhala, which has raised questions about his leadership and integrity. Now, this is just a breakdown that I think the ANC considered before having a discussion to impeach the South African president, Cyril Ramaphosa. Now, in 2020, $4 million was reportedly stolen from Ramaphosa's game farm in Limpopo. And former State Security Agency Director Arthur Fraser accused Ramaphosa of concealing the crime and kidnapping suspects and bribing them to keep quiet. Now, a parliamentary panel found Ramaphosa may have violated the constitution and anti-corruption laws, paving the way for impeachment proceedings. Now, the African National Congress, known as the ANC, has been divided, with some members calling for Ramaphosa's resignation and others supporting him. And Ramaphosa denies any wrongdoings, stating he's willing to step down if asked by the ANC's National Executive Committee. Now, Ramaphosa has also called on his critics to provide a specific date for his resignation, indicating he's willing to step down if asked. And there's reports going around suggesting that Ramaphosa might face impeachment proceedings, but his spokesperson has denied these claims, stating the president will fight any attempts to remove him. Now, the ANC's National Executive Committee sets to meet and discuss Ramaphosa.
I want you to know that it's war. The war has started. You already see even this. You saw what is happening in the ANC. You can just check on news. I'm told the president told them, give me the date that you want me to resign. Because apparently there's people in dark corners that wants the president to go, which that will be a massive mistake. That will be a massive mistake for them, but because we've turned the corner in South Africa, we've turned the corner. Listen to me when I tell you the rent. I had to pay somebody overseas today. Eugene was saying, no, that's not the amount. You forget the rent is so strong now. We've got the lowest inflation, record levels of inflation. In the third quarter, we've created close to 300,000 jobs. So the GNU is really taking the country up now. And don't believe me. Listen to the foremost people that speaks about these issues in the country. So we did this all under the leadership of President Ramaphosa. The Actually, the GNU is really turning the corner now. All the hard work we put in last year is now starting to show fruits. And that's the message you must take out there. I'm so excited. We are not where we were. We are not where we want to be. So I just wanted you to know that it will be a grave mistake for them now to want to move, come with new thing. Not now. We are being led into prosperity now.
You guys, I just saw a clip of the news that said Cyril said that he will resign if the NEC so dares him. He said he has plans to resign after the G20 summit. He said that if the NEC wishes for him to resign, they need to be forthcoming. They need to be forthright. And he will do so. Why now? Something is rotten in the state of Denmark.
People of South Africa, it is a morning. No, okwami this evening ukuchecka ukuthi kuyavela yini ngalapho ukuthi enhlanganweni kaGogo eku-organization kaGogo bekunomhlangano bekunemeeting NEC lapho khona upresident wase South Africa nowe organization yakwaGogo akhiphe amagama athi mangabe nifuna ngiresign manje with immediate effect noma ningathi kusasa ngiresign so bengithi ngicheke kuyavela yini ukuthi uCyril Ramaphosa ukhipha amagama lawo yini. And then okunye futhi ngifuna ukunikhomba ukuthi lo mjida the way asengakhona and the way ukuthi nalamagama lawo akawamini ngakhona because of on the very same meeting it's being said ukuthi uze wakhipha namagama ukuthi njengoba manje kunabo uMadlanga Commission kubalekile ukuthi kube nama lifestyle audit ukuthi azoyenzeka kubo bonke okusho ukuthi uyazi ukuthi his members won't agree on that because of they are corrupt. They will not agree. Never badumelane because of they are corrupt. Therefore, kusho ukuthi uyabathusa, meaning his comrades won't say no, leadership resign. Yeah, but nonetheless, comrades and people of South Africa, for us, now we are happy to hear that because of what we are doing on the ground, it's working. Ziyakhala. Bafethu, I can tell you this. Cyril Ramaphosa is going to resign. Athanda angathandi, iterm yakhe akasefitsi. And I see his members or his comrades who are going to decide or who are going to force him to resign. It's us, the citizens, it's us, the people of South Africa, that are going to force him to resign. Whether athanda angathandi. Cyril Ramaphosa, you know, one of the things that I've realized is that even those who were defending him, even those who were at the forefront, they are the ones who right now are even advocating that this guy must go. This guy is destroying our country. So to hear those words, we are excited because of it shows that we are in the right direction. It shows we will see Cyril Ramaphosa resigning as the president of South Africa. Mandla.
You don't say. So, guys, what had happened was, I was just reading about it now. What had happened was, there was an NEC meeting, and then Ramaphosa tells them that you guys, NEC members, NEC members, you guys are talking about me behind my back. You want me to resign. Just man up. Tell me. I'll resign even Gom. So tomorrow, I can do that anytime. Or maybe after the G20. But, so the only thing that is standing in the way of his resignation is the G20 and the ANC people that are known to have a lot of hands in corruption. And on the 17th, we're marching against them. And the G20, we don't believe that it should happen because a lot is going to happen and we're about to lose a lot. And why does he care for the G20 so much? Because Lama deals as a sign of he's going to benefit from them. So We need to make sure that that doesn't happen. We need to make sure that these NEC members hear what we have to say, because we are done. And he must stop soft launching his daughter, thinking we can't see what he's doing. We can see what you're up to. The hands of our people won't be dictated by the same families and the same people time and time again. You want to manage us from home now. Ebo.
Bengithi ngiyadlula laphana ku-Facebook. Ngiyadlula yabo, ngidlula ngibuka ama-post. Naku sengihlangana nenye i-post ekhuluma ngokuresigna kwakho Cyril Ramaphosa. Uyasho laphana thiwa nje yena useready ukuthi yena angaresigna noma yini. Uready nje yena. Okay. Ngithe ngiqeda uyibuka kwafika emqondweni wami ukuthi hey, ngenzeka phela labanye laba basifakela omunye umuntu nje obheda, uzobheda nje kakhulu adlule yena uCyril Ramaphosa lo akade bemfaka okhona njengamanje. Yabo. And futhi laphana umuntu hayi ukuthi usuke ebheda yena. Inqumo abasuke bemthathela zona. Njengoba nje uhlaluzo kuthiwa hey, uhulumeni wethu unje, uhulumeni wethu unje. Yabo. Uhulumeni uthatha inqumo bese kudicileleka isithondi somuntu phansi. Ngawo ukuthi uCyril Ramaphosa nje yena yedwa athatha inqumo egcina sezibeka lelizwe leli kule ndawo le elikulona. Yabo. Ngoba noZuma naye lento le ngathi babefuna ukuthi bayizame, kwasho ukuthi uZuma ke uyambona uZuma ukuthi umZulu ke nje oyimelayo into yakhe. Yabo. Usicabangelayo, osi-understandayo thina ezabantu abamnyama. Yabo. Bekulibele nje kubhede kusukela kubani? uMandela ube right, wasiphatha kahle uMandela. Kwangena lo munye kweza kulokhuza kuZuma. Yabo, bekulibele nje kuba wesi. Lezi zinto lezi bayenziswa bafethu. Yabo. Kuba nohulumeni abantu abenza inqumo. Mase belokhuza beyidiscussile lezi inqumo lezi. Thiwa hayi wena ndoda enza lokho. Abanandaba ukuthi abantu bathi njengoba futhi nanokuthi asiyikhetheli lo umuntu ozosiphatha. Njengoba nje singayikhetheli nje ibona abamkhethayo. Yabo. Njengoba nje sifuna ukuthi nje aphume ibona futhi abazomkhetha. Manje ke into engicabangayo ukuthi nizowenza njani mabesikhethela umuntu ozoba wesi ngaphezulu kwakho uCyril Ramaphosa. Abazomenza abe wesi ngaphezulu kwakhe. Because bahlale njalo nje befuna ukuthi basibeke phansi nje as South Africa. Nizowenza njani?
Hello Mzansi, welcome to Umgosi waseMzansi. ANC President Cyril Ramaphosa has challenged his detractors in the NEC to name a date labafuna ukuthi yena resign ngayo. Uthi anga resign nanini na, telling them to stop discussing his exit in the dark corners like cowards. Uthi nje abayekele kubhizi bakhuluma emakhoneni bamhleba bakhuluma ukuthi kufanele ahambe, uthi abamtshele ngqo bamtshele emehlweni ukuthi kunini labafuna resign khona bamnekede lilanga. Uthi akamind uthi angaresigna ngisho kusa. So people are really shocked by his statement ukuthi hayibo, we've been saying uRamaphosa akaphumi, uRamaphosa akahamba, uRamaphosa must step down. Bekaloku angafuni ke ku resign as president yase South Africa. Why now? People are just asking themselves ukuthi hayibo, ngiyalo Ramaphosa wathi yena kanandzaba nokuresign, uma bafuna resign bamtshele dates la bafuna ukuthi resign ngalo kanjani. Because we've been telling you ukuthi resign but uloku usiblutika. So abantu abaningi basho nje ukuthi it's giving angimquphile lana, why afuneka ukuthi resign nyalo. So abantu abaningi they're just talking about into la ikhulumile lapha yana bayasho bani ukuthi i-red flag ke lena. Please do comment what you think below down on the comment section. I'm signing out. Goodbye.